Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's English classes. I hope everyone is keeping safe. Today we'll be working on Grammar Book 1 and we'll be looking at Lesson 12, Possessive Nouns. So let's start. What is a possessive noun? Possessive nouns are nouns that name who or what has or owns something. Has or owns something. Possessive nouns. A noun that possesses or owns something. Can be a person, a place, or a thing. So let's learn more about it. Possessive nouns. So here we have two examples. Here in the first example, we are replacing the boy has a kite for the possessive noun, the boy's kite. And here in the second example, we are replacing the girl has a balloon, but the girl has balloons for the possessive nouns, the girl's balloon. But there are some rules that you need to follow in order to form possessive nouns correctly. Let's have a look at rule number 1. To most singular nouns, add an apostrophe and an S. For example, Pat has a new history book. Now we're going to replace has a new history book for a possessive noun. And this is how it works. Pat's new history book. So we are replacing has for Pat's apostrophe and S. Pat's new history book, which means Pat has a new history book. Now let's look at rule number 2. Plural nouns ending in S and add only an apostrophe. Plural nouns ending in S add only an apostrophe. For example, James also has a new book. So here we can see that James, it's a word that ends in S. So as it already ends in S, we don't have to add an S. We just add an apostrophe. And this is example. James, apostrophe, new book. James, new book. That means James also has a new book. Oh, James has a new book too. Let's move on to rule number 3. Plural nouns, no ending in S, and an apostrophe and an S. For example, remember that there are some nouns or special nouns, right? That they change their spelling when we use them in plural form. So this is what we're talking about now. To plural nouns not ending in S, we have to add apostrophe and an S. For example here, 2 women own cameras. And the possessive noun will be 2 women's cameras. 2 women's cameras. So here we have the special noun, the special plural noun, women. So as it doesn't end in S, we need to add an apostrophe and S in order to convert it or in order to change it into a possessive noun. And that's it for today's classes. Let's work on our grammar book. I'll see you everyone. Good start to the week. Bye.